Simply excellent. We got our rewards this week, our bone rewards and also our Ryoshi tokens. So check your Shibaswap to see if it's there, and let's talk about it right now. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It is reward time. It is reward time. Now, this is my small, Shiba account, but I still got those Ryoshi tokens just by burying your Shiba on Shibaswap. So that is one of the benefits of burying your SHIB. Not only you earn some bone, so I've earned a little bit of bone on this small account, but I've earned quite a bit of Ryoshi tokens. Now, don't get it twisted. I know the price of Ryoshi is not as high, or even the price of bone is not as high, but this is for the future. Now, if I go to my bigger account over here, to my Coinbase wallet, you notice there is a difference of the bone rewards. So I'm bearing 1 billion on this account. 1 billion Shiba is being buried on this account. 5 bones is totally so far that I have not wolfed out. And remember, there's 102 that's unwolfed that we will wolf at a later time. And this is the wrap Ethereum. It's a smaller amount, but I'm waiting for that to accumulate as well, mainly because of the fees. So if I go here and I check out the leash, I'm bearing 5 leash. I've earned 9.9 bones so far. So I have not wolfed this out in quite some time. And of course, there's 36 unwolfable bone that's sitting there. So I'm letting this occur and accumulate. Just to let it accumulate, and then I'll wolf it out at a later time. Now, we have 5,021 bones is buried, and we have 27 that's can be wolfed, but we're going to keep it in there and let it accumulate. And of course, we have 257 that we have not unwolfed. So, but if I go back to the buried SHIB, the number I'm looking at is not only the Ryoshi tokens that we're getting on a weekly or even bi-weekly basis, but I'm looking at the bone that's total here. But it's also, I'm looking over in another area. So you check this out too. Check it out too if you got anything that's in the farming token area. Now, I'm looking here. Oh, so they continue adding more. So they continue adding more to the Shibaswap portfolio. Let's keep adding in this. So if I go back here, there's 500 unwolfable bones that needs to be out. So I'm excited about that. And of course, these are also rewards as well. I'm not gonna wolf it out. 1 is because of the fees, and 2, it's just not the right time to do it. Even if it was the fees was a manageable price, it's just not the time. And if you look at your portfolio or your Shibaswap portfolio, you're probably thinking about that too. Maybe I should wait. Maybe I should wolf it out. It's really up to you. But I think for me personally, I'd rather wait for this to actually get a more of amount. Same thing about these is here. Same thing about these pairings. I'm going to wait to wolf these out as well and let this accumulate. So check your Shibaswap.com account. Make sure you have your Ryoshi tokens buried. If you don't have SHIB buried on Shibaswap, what are you thinking about? Because you get a chance to get free Ryoshi tokens and you get a chance to earn bone as well. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Hey, check your tokens out, and I'll see you on the next reward day, hopefully in the next week or 2. I'll see you on the next video.